Let's make buffalo chicken wings. Drum or a flat. 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 cup of pickle juice. In the fridge for 45 minutes.
Here I'm going to be using potato starch. I find that helps the wings crisp up a little bit more. And of course, I'm going to season that potato starch with my boom spice. We'll go ahead and drain those wings out, and then we'll season them up again with some more boom spice. That recipe is also on my YouTube channel. Tap a little bit of that potato starch off, and then we'll throw them in the air fryer. This quick and easy chicken wing recipe, of course, you can deep fry them as well, but I like them in the air fryer.
For our buffalo wing sauce, 1/3 of a cup hot sauce, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 1/2 stick of cold butter, pinch of salt, not a punch, cayenne pepper, garlic and onion powder, splash of Worcestershire sauce.
For my buffalo wing sauce, I'll bring that to a small simmer on a medium-low heat. I like this as an added touch where I add my wings directly into the hot sauce while they are on the stove. I find they absorb the flavor of the hot sauce much better than simply pouring it over them and tossing them around in a bowl. These have some really good buffalo heat to them. Cooking my buffalo chicken wings, I find patience is the key here. Let those simmer and absorb all the flavors from that sauce. Do me a favor as well, hit that like button, smash the subscribe button. That way more people can see these great recipes. Let's plate these up, and it is almost time to devour these delicious chicken wings. These are so hot, but the flavor and the smell from these are fantastic. So I'm willing to take a burn for the team to test these out. I'm starting off with the drum. The drum is my favorite. That's a chicken wing. Let's go. It's gonna be super hot. Boom! Those are out of this world. What an easy chicken wing recipe this is. Oh, wow. Those are so hot, but they're so good. Please also remember, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Turn on that notification button so you can see every time I post a new great recipe. These are so hot, I'm already breaking out into the sweat. Check this out. Oh my goodness. But the flavor in here is incredible. You've got to try these buffalo chicken wings. Such an easy recipe. Get after it and get cooking. Woo! Oh my goodness, those are so hot. Oh my goodness.